Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off FaceTime on iPhone running iOS version 14.3. So this is my iPhone device. So let's start. So first of all you have to open your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and also let me show you guys first that I have iOS version 14.3 installed on this iPhone device. So let me tap on this general, and then let me tap on this about. And you can see guys here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 14.3 installed on this iPhone XR. So let me go back. Let me go back again. So in order to turn off FaceTime on iPhone, what you need to do, you have to open your settings app, and after that you have to scroll down and find FaceTime. So let me find that. So here I have this, FaceTime. So what you need to do, you have to tap on this to open it. So let me tap on this, and you can see I have this FaceTime, this screen opened. And on this screen, you have to come to this option, FaceTime. You can see currently it's turned on. You can see the toggle is turned on. So in order to, turn off FaceTime, you have to turn off this toggle next to this FaceTime. So just tap on this toggle next to this FaceTime and move this slider to the left in order to turn off this. So let me tap on this. I'm tapping on it, and you can see it's now turned off. After that you can go back. So let me go back. Okay, and if I open this FaceTime again, I'm tapping on it, and you can see it's now turned off. After that you can close your settings app. So let me close that. So that's it. In this way you can easily turn off FaceTime on iPhone running iOS version 14.3. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.